Welcome students to Grow with Biology. Today we'll talk about the topic of MS Medium. Preparation of MS Medium. MS means Morash School. In my last of the two videos you can find out what are the types of medium and the basic knowledge about plant tissue culture. Now what is stock solutions? In one of the terminologies I have told you that stock solution is the basic solution from which we make the working solution, and all these are the stock solution. So for preparing 1 liter of MS medium, first we have to prepare all these 4 stock solution. So first I read out the components of stock solution. 1. NH4NO3, KNO3, CaCl2, 2H2O, MgSO4, 7H2O, KH2PO4. Now remember 7H2O, 2H2O. This means that calcium chloride will have added water to it. Means they are not dehydrated calcium chloride, it is hydrated calcium chloride. So these 5 are the components of stock solution 1. In stock solution 2 we have 7 components: Ki, H3BO3, MnSO4, 4H2O, ZnSO4, 7H2O, Na2MOO4, 2H2O, CuSO4, 5H2O, CuCl3, 6H2O. The 7 components makes the constituent of stock solution 2. Stock solution 3: FeSO4, 7H2O, Na2EDTA, 2H2O. And stock solution 4, that has 5 components: inositol, nicotinic acid, pyridoxine HCl, thymine HCl, and glycine. So when you study about the MS medium, different medium, you know that medium has inorganic, organic, growth hormones and gelling agent, as well as some of the supplements. So all these combinations will fulfill all the requirements which is required for the growth of an explant. So preparing 1 liter of MS media, you required 50 ml from stock solution 1, 5 ml from stock solution 2, 5 ml from stock solution 3, and 5 ml from stock solution 4. Clear? Stock solution 1, the amount which is mentioned over here is mg per liter. Means for 1 liter you required this much. So suppose if you want to make 100 ml, so you will calculate according to 100 ml. So in 100 ml how much mg is required? If your weighing balance does not have an mg accuracy, then you can convert it back into gram. So you can have a unit as gram per liter or gram per 100 ml of distilled water. And specifically remember that when you use distilled water, it is autoclaved distilled water which you may use for making the stock solutions. Stock solution 3 is made separately in 450 ml of water with heating and constant stirring. So there is heating and constant stirring for 450 ml. Then we have to make it, and then we have to take 5 ml from it. So we have stock solution 1, stock solution 2, 3, 4, 50 ml, 5 ml, and then we have to maintain the pH. pH is maintained with a range of 5 to 6. On an average we maintain it at 5.5. If the pH is acidic, we have to balance it with base. If it is basic, then you have to balance with acid. What acid or which base you will use? You will use 0.1 normal HCl or 0.1 normal NaOH. Now the next requirement is sucrose. Sucrose, on an average we use 3% sucrose, and agar is 0.8 to 1%. Agar, there are variations of solidifying agent, gel-right. It depends on how much solidification you require. If you want a jelly constituency, then you can use 0.8%. If you want it little bit harder, then you can use 1% or 1.2%. So this is the components of the basic components of MS Medium. Now when we are mixing all this, we have to add all the stock solution component. We have to make it up with autoclave distilled water, and it is better if you use double distilled water to and finish it up to a component of 1 liter. Then we make it then we can maintain the pH, and after maintaining the pH you will add sucrose and agar to it. After addition, there are two methods which everyone follows. One procedure says that whatever growth hormones you required for the experiment, you can directly add to it. Some growth hormones which you get in the laboratories in a packed form are not liable to heat. So if before autoclaving you can use the you can also add the growth hormones, but some are sensitive towards it, because once you autoclave, if the growth hormones get denatured, then then it is a waste. So if you are using some sensitive growth hormones which will be degraded if we do the autoclave, then after autoclaving you have to add the growth hormones. So how we will add? After autoclaving, you have to add the growth hormones with the help of a injection or a micropore sterile or a filter, that is known as filter sterilization. We can add a filter with a membrane that is of a very fine micropore size, and then you can add your hormone solution over it, and after filtration it will add and get added to your medium. So remember that the temperature of the medium should be maintained, so that after addition of the growth hormone it will get easily mixed. And because if it has some agar, so if the temperature is not maintained, or if you are not fine in adding the media hormone before the media gets solidified, then the hormone will not easily mixed up with the media. So you have to be very conscious while adding the hormones to the medium. And then you have to prepare the, if you want to prepare the strap cultures or the in the test tubes, or you have to pour it in the plant tissue culture jars or in conical flasks, you have to pour it again in laminar air flow. After all these, then only after solidification, then only you can add your explant to the respective cultures. Hope this will give you the basic ideas of media preparation. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.